I say make una go.
My people, Bible talk and say, when God give man, make you use am well, so that people when near them, they will be happy they rejoice.
I say make una go, make una go, make una go, make una go, make una go. We don't tire, right? We don't for our country. I say make una go.
Oi! You have got to be here. You move for the light on the red street. That's an explicit translation of the same curriculum. And
I say make una go, make una go, make una go, make una go, make una go. We don't tire, injustice not for our country. I say make una go.
My brother, whether na church you dey, na
yes,
politics
that's
you
all.
dey, make you get the hear of God.
I say make una go, make una go, make una go.
I'm going home and they're telling me that I should pay to me for conductor. Am I your conductor? Am I your conductor? Uncle Zaka, don't go. Over to you.
I say make una go, 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 go.
Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, we thank you well. Happy new month wherever you did. They listen to Clear Signals of Independent Radio 92.3 FM. Now the Heartbeat Station, wherever you did, we greet you specially this evening. The second day inside that month will be the last month before we go enter the Ember month. Now August, how you day now? So many people don't coin the word how August go take favor you. I go take favor your family. I go take favor you that business. I go take favor you for that home. I go take favor you for that thing where you put hand. I go take favor your community. I go take favor your family. I go take favor that area you come from. But we dey look am now say yes. Some people don't they talk say this year he just dey fast, he just dey run. But you not get one day where day not break. You not get one day where we not see afternoon. You not get one day where we not see 5 o'clock for evening on top this life where we don't dey come from January 1st. Come reach the second day inside August. How you dey? Time dey waka abi. We must continue to thank Baba God saying give us that power to take do am. He give us that power to take live life where the way we want to live am. But how e dey be? That thing you dey do now, you don dey see am now say yes, wetin you dey do? E dey favor people. You go continue to do am. You also see that thing where you dey do, e no dey favor people. People dey vex say you dey do that kind of thing. You go comot hand and say yes, make you not dey displease people again because that thing you continue to do. Where they bring vaccination, where they bring katakata on top people life around you. You go put hand and say, I don't want to do them again. We greet you well because you dey special as that Baba wey dey center. We regard you well the regardation we give you on top of this program, it be like that one where wife will give that husband where in value well. We salute you because if we continue to talk from Mondays to Fridays, you not listen. We just dey talk for nothing. Now I make Ed that go always talk, say we sabi talk now because say you dey there will listen. You dey there listen. You dey there contribute. You dey there buy recharge card to call. You dey there you don't buy over 20 earpieces because of rush hour for this year only. You dey there, you don buy close to 14 chargers within 1 month because you dey must dey plug your phone every day to make sure say you listen to us on top your phone. Some don go buy transistor radio to make sure say dem follow. Dem buy digital, dem buy analog to make sure say dem follow. Some of una now, una don dey inside that Facebook where we also dey follow us. You don dey follow us for Twitter, you dey follow us for Instagram, you dey follow us for everywhere we go. We must continue to thank you. Today na Friday, as I talked before, the second day inside the month of August. If you dey follow this program well, you say from say from Mondays to Wednesdays now we dey bring topic, but Thursdays and Fridays na him be speak your mind, because na democracy. Democracy meaning say government of the people, for the people, and by the people. People appear 3 times. Now him make you say anything you dey do on top this life as a leadership. Now followers, now you dey carry the waka. Now their life, now their government. Then get right to talk. Then get right to ask questions. They get right to call you to order. Eda, good evening.
My brother, Amelion, I greet you, my people for us, I greet you now. My prayer is say, who go help us? There's something other than for life in Jesus' name.
Isa, if you be that person wey don talk Isa for that prayer wey elder dey always dey pray every day, na him be say na you be that person wey wan make that neighbor wey dey around am make things better for am. Na you be that person wey dey pray for people wey don above you. Instead of you to do jealousness, you go begin to pray for them. Commit them into hands of God, because e dey very very bad. Say the day wey e reach, you make hunter cut meat for you. Hunter go say him cutlass not sharp. Problem dey. Abi elder.
That be small
problem dey.
Narrow.
Because naturally, ordinarily, hunter knife dey always dey sharp. Because na him work be that. If the day wey go reach for am to cut meat for you, he go say cutlass not dey, not sharp. But I be say they go work. Elder, speak your mind.
I know.
Because the only thing wey I dey expect make you talk, you not talk am today. Say you no dey happy at all.
You know, if I talk and you go say you don't become my fan. Now make me keep quiet now. If not, I'm not happy.
I know.
You know, say if I pass from that my house to Luku here, I know they happy the way they take they see bush for inside gutter.
Okay.
It be like say they want to dey train cow there.
Okay.
But they reserve am for cow.
Okay.
From Muselu Park down to main gate, you know they see bush there. You get as it be now. I don't know whether the ministry still exists.
Which ministry? Which ministry?
Ministry of Environment. I'm not just saying that.
Elder. Now matter of Ministry of Environment, now we take entire 7 o'clock, we go reach 10 o'clock this morning to discuss on top television. No, you talk and you not do bad thing. Waka with streets of Benin, waka with streets of Edo, waka with streets of this country.
You get us
dirty everywhere.
everywhere.
Go to Upper Mission Extension.
Oh God.
You know wetin worse the whole matter now. Before we dey think say we know say people dey carry dirty from their house go dump for road. But we also don discover say some of those bags wey you see say that they line up on top of that pavement wey dey center of road anywhere you go. Na those people wey dey sweep early in the morning. Dirty wey dem dey gather, both sansan, both to pure water, factory paper, and everything, dem dey sack them inside bag. Then go raise am, dump on top of a pavement, put them on top of a media. Wetin that one mean say people dey wey suppose go to come dey carry those dirty go through way.
But I dey feel say dem no dey pay those people wey dey suppose to carry am. Because if you dey pay who dey sweep and you dey pay who dey carry,
they suppose dey carry am.
For dey come dey carry.
Citizens of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, na your program, na our program. Everybody na stakeholder on top this state, on top this country. How you say am now? Speak your mind in be today. Those matter wey don dey your mind since we will not allow you talk from Mondays to Wednesdays. Now today you go talk am. You talk half yesterday. Talk am finish today. That number for you to confirm yourself, you never change na 080-8581-4217. Make we know who be the first caller on top program today. Confirmato. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Your name and your location.
My name is David. I'm from Sobe.
David from Sobe, how you doing this evening? David, speak your mind.
music, and then make them put them, make them upgrade them. Now we the talk, so make them upgrade them.